Okay, I want to confess something. I am an avid 18 fanboy since 2019. Promise guys, kahit i-search nyo pa yung post ko sa Facebook noong 2019 up until now, my SB19 talaga guys. I remember noon, nagjo-duty pa ako that time, piniplay ko yung SB19 Go Up kasi konti pa lang yung views. Habang nagjo-duty ako, piniplay ko para dumami yung views. And nandun din ako that time nung nag-live sila, na nag-celebrate sila na parang 5K followers ata sila, subscribers sa YouTube. Nandun din ako. Promise. Kasi na-relate ako relate ako sa kanila kasi based on their life experiences. Most of them talaga, they've struggled a lot. They face challenges, but despite of that, nag-continue pa din sila ng craft nila kahit noon. That time parang nagsabi sila, di ba, mag-disband na sila, pero that time nagpursige talaga sila. That's why they released their first album, yung Go Up, na may music video. Actually, isa yun sa mga trailblazer talaga bakit sumikat sila, yung Go Up. Every time makikita ko yung SB19, pinapanood ko, parang I feel like so happy and a bit of emotional kasi ang layo na ng narating nila, ang sikat na nila. And but despite of that, ang bait nila, ang genuine nila, and they're very raw kung ano sila sa TV, yun din sila sa personal. That's why I really love them because they're family oriented, they're very talented, and they're very humble, and they're very passionate about what they're doing, and they inspired me so much. And of course, yung mga iba't ibang mga kabataan din, especially mga 18 na based nga sa kanta nila Go Up lang, di ba? Kaya pag sinabing SB19, saludo talaga. Par dito talaga sila. Hindi ko talaga ipagkapalit yung SB19 yan. Kaya one of my dreams talaga is makita sila in the future, mapanood yung concert. So yeah, kaya hello SB19, yeah, I am a fan. Kaya good job. Sana makita ko kayo in the future. 18.